Hey all, some of you had questions about this window that I was asking about, so let me show you where it's located. We're up here on the mezzanine, so this is where the bed will be, plus the shower and the sink. I'm basically standing right where the shower is going to be. So as you can see, there's this window here. We're debating between leaving the opening as is or opening it all the way up down to the floor, because there's framing that would allow us to do either one. And here's the edge of the mezzanine, off to your left here. And then this is the big open living room area here that is basically 2 floors high. So I'm going to look down. And we'll have the catamaran net going off the edge of the mezzanine so you can actually walk over this whole area. So that's the context of this window in question. Should we leave it and just put a glass transom window in on that bottom area here? Or should we open up the whole thing and just do a big floor to ceiling set of French windows that open inwards towards the room? All right, thanks. All right, so on the outside, here's the entry door to the back apartment. And as you can see up above, that's the window we're looking at. That's up on the mezzanine. The lights are on upstairs, but they're kind of dim. Let me see if I can give you a little more light here. There you go. So you can see the ceiling up there that we've been drywalling and the big beam. So again, this is over the entry door. And all of the windows of this back apartment, you can see another one here, and then another one behind the staircase. They all open into an open air staircase here. There's a big archway that's open at the very top and a skylight. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. So it doesn't really open to the exterior completely like to a street. It just opens up to an interior courtyard with a big window that's open at the very top of the staircase. So there's not much of a view. It's just a view to the other side of the staircase. It's just a more question of what we want to do with this window. So again, we can open up the whole thing and make one great big window where the transom is. Or we can just keep these two openings as is, put clear glass that doesn't open here, and then put an openable window up here.